Hi there.
Are we almost there?
Yes, we're almost there, Henry. Chill out.
Are we done here? We must be done here. Please tell me that we're done here.
Yes, Henry, we're done. Gosh, you're so annoying. Henry, why did you just stop here? We have to go back to the sheds.
I'm not going anywhere. The rain is going to spoil my paint again.
Henry, you're not staying in the tunnel a second time.
Yes, I can. I've done it before and I'll do it again.
Henry, you're just so selfish. You never have any respect for anyone. That's why you got bricked up in here 78 years ago.
I don't care. I'm not moving.
Fine, Henry. You want to stay here? Then stay here. We're going back home.
Gladly.
This is Henry. He is a very big, strong, green, tender engine. He loves pulling the flying kipper. He wasn't built properly, and he was an experimental engine, and everyone made fun of him for that. After a severe crash, the Fat Controller gave him a new body, and he was built properly now. But throughout all of that, he still had one fear, which was the rain, spoiling his paint. He was even bricked up in a tunnel for not moving once. And even to this day, he still never wants to leave when it rains.
Okay. The rain's probably stopped by now. Okay, I didn't get any sleep at all last night because I was worried about the rain. Now that it's gone, maybe I can get a little shut-eye before work starts. Thomas, can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep. What do you mean? It's morning, Henry. Wait, it's morning?
Yeah, can you see the sun outside?
Not really a lot of sun to see, Percy.
Look, the main point is it's morning and we've got work to do.
Oh, but I'm tired.
Sorry, Henry, but we got work to do, and you do too.
Oh man, this isn't good. I stayed in the tunnel all night and now I'm too tired to even work. It's okay, it's okay. You can just sneak out of here before Tom Hat comes. Okay, just be...
And then they just sat there and we had to find our own way home.
Okay, I'll talk to you.
Wait, did somebody just touch me? Wait, so there he is. He's right behind you. Henry! I was just talking with your driver and fireman, and they said you stayed in the tunnel all night last night and they had to find their own way home. Yeah, but before we start talking, I have one question. How are you out here on your own? We're not driving you.
We all did the same thing in Magic Railroad. Don't question it.
Okay, geez, but still. You sat in the tunnel again, Henry?
Yeah, because it was raining.
Henry, I've had enough of this, okay? Can someone cue my music? Thank you. Henry, I am sick of this. You're always hiding in the tunnel whenever it rains. It's not going to spoil your paintwork. Remember what happened last time? You got shut up in the tunnel because of it. If you don't stop hiding in the tunnel, I'm gonna have to brick you up again.
But sir,
I don't want to hear any of your excuses, Henry. I want you to think about others when you do this. Now do your jobs. Come on, Henry, let's get a move on. Yeah. Stupid Gordon making me get his coaches all the time. And the next time I see him, I'm gonna... Whoa!
oh, sorry, Thomas, I didn't mean to.
Oh, no, it's fine. What are you doing out here?
Oh, I'm getting ready for work.
I can tell when something's bothering you. What's going on?
Okay, I'm still having trouble with the rain.
Yeah, me and a lot of other engines have noticed.
When is that? Come on, Thomas, this storm is gonna be a bad one.
I know, I'm going as fast as I can. What the?
I'm not going anywhere. The rain is gonna spoil my paintwork again.
Figure that water isn't that bad. It's not gonna spoil your paintwork, you goddamn green. Why do you do this all the time? Water isn't that bad. Water isn't that bad. It's not gonna. Water isn't that bad. It's not gonna spoil your paintwork, you goddamn green. Why do you? More than you notice.
Well, I can't do it. I can't do any of my jobs without this weather.
Henry, it's okay to be afraid, but you can't be afraid all of the time.
Yes, I can.
Come on, man. Aren't you supposed to be big, brave, and strong? Be like a role model to everyone around you. Try to set an example of what to do when you are afraid, to push through those fears.
You already do a pretty good job of that with your popularity.
Yeah, well, I'm not the focus of this episode. You are.
Fine, I'll try not to be afraid of the rain today.
Could you, I don't know, teach me or something? Okay, that I can do.
Thomas! Where are my coaches?
Give me a sec, though. Big blue whale thingy's calling for me.
I heard that! Yeah, I'll just be out of your way. Okay, so how can you teach me not to be afraid of the rain anymore, Thomas?
Well, for one, rain is like liquid. You know, like water that goes in your boiler. It's just water.
Like my boiler.
Exactly. The type of water that helps you make steam. It's literally just little drops of liquid.
Can you show an example of that?
Sure, with this fizzy pop. So, how was that?
Fizzy.
Well, we're gonna keep moving on, so get over it.
Yeah.
The next thing is water going into your boiler, which helps you run, obviously. Like so.
Yeah, it does feel kind of nice.
Come on, Tom! Trevor, you ain't catching me. Watch me, Terrence. So, I bet you took that well.
Yeah, sure I did.
And for our final example, you can basically say getting a new fresh coat of paint is kind of liquid.
Huh, I never thought of it that way. It is wet after you're done. I want the green one.
Oh, wait, don't touch them.
Why?
Well, we got a long way to go, Henry.
Yeah, one that gets me really wet. Oh, heck no!
Henry, wait!
No. Nope, not happening, not in a million years.
Henry, come on, you need to come out.
Over my paintwork getting ruined.
Henry, it's just water.
I don't care, it's gonna ruin my paintwork.
Looks like you learned nothing from today. I'm going back home.
Yeah, good. I'll just sit here by myself.
Great.
Oh, Thomas!
Wait, Henry, did you just save me?
Oh, yeah, I guess I did. Oh, my paperwork!
Henry, just try. You literally just came out of the tunnel to help me. Just try to come out.
I can't! My paint!
I'm out here and my paintwork isn't getting ruined.
It's not?
No! Look at me! I am perfectly fine. It's only water. Just try, Henry. See? It's only water.
Just water. It's just water, right?
Yes, it is.
Only water! Yeah, baby, that's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.